Hello, let us now study about a topic called NOTOCORD. So what is NOTOCORD? NOTOCORD is a midline structure which extends from the cranial part of the primitive streak to till the precaudal plate, forming the central axis of the embryo. How it is formed? Like what are the steps involved in the formation of this notochord between this primitive streak and precaudal plate? To know better, these diagrams are longitudinal sections, these diagrams are horizontal sections, in the middle a flow chart related to each diagram. Now coming to the first one, how the notochord is formed. So from the cells, solid cord of the cells around this primitive node, these cells proliferate, which forms the pre-notochordal cells. Initially it forms, these pre-notochordal cells, initially it forms a surface depression called blastopore. From the blastopore, these pre-notochordal cells invaginate between ectoderm and endoderm, resulting in the formation of notochordal processes or head process. So from the primitive node, it is notochordal process. So in this diagram, this is that notochordal process lying between ectoderm and endoderm, extending from the blastopore. In horizontal section, this is that notochordal process between ectoderm and endoderm. After this notochordal process, which is a solid cord of cells, undergoes canalization. Hence, a canal is formed that we call it as notochordal canal. The notochordal process gets canalized into notochordal canal. This notochordal process is canalized into, this one is a notochordal canal acquiring a lumen. This is notochordal canal. This notochordal canal, which was lying between ectoderm and endoderm, now fuses with the endoderm. This notochordal canal is fusing with the endoderm here. It is fusing with the endoderm. Similarly, here it is fusing with this notochordal canal is fusing with the endoderm, which is red in color here. In the next step, this notochordal canal breaks down. So there is a breaking down of this canal here as well as here. It is this notochordal canal is break down. That is the next step, followed by formation of notochordal plate. So this notochordal canal is converted into notochordal plate like this. This one is the notochordal plate. This breakdown of this canal followed by formation of a thin plate called notochordal plate. Then that notochordal plate becomes curved and forms notochordal tube. So this notochordal plate is becoming curved here. Same notochordal plate, this one is becoming curved, which gives rise to, which is now called as the notochordal tube. Since the proliferation of the cells of the tube converts the notochordal tube into definitive notochord. Finally, the definitive notochord is formed. So this one is the definitive notochord. This is a definitive notochord. This is followed by the restoration of the endoderm. The endoderm which was lost here, is it clear? The endoderm which was lost here is restored, and eventually the definitive notochord gets separated from the endoderm. This is the process of formation of notochord. Coming to the next one, functions. What is the function of notochord, or what are its functions? Number one, it forms the central axis of the embryo. Number two, it acts like a secondary organizer and induces the formation of the neural tube. So without notochord, there is no nervous system. So that is second one. It acts like a secondary organizer and induces the formation of the neural tube. Number 3, it provides a central column around which vertebral bodies and peripheral part of the intervertebral disc grows. I repeat, the functions are: it provides a central axis of the embryo, it acts like a secondary organizer and induces the formation of the neural tube. Number 3, it provides a central column around which the vertebral bodies and peripheral part of intervertebral discs grow. What is the fate of notochord? This notochord is present in all animals belonging to the phylum Chordata. In humans, it remains, the remnants of the notochord persist as nucleus pulposus of intervertebral disc and apical ligament of dens. Coming to the clinical embryology or clinical aspects, the tumors of the remnants of the notochordal cells gives rise to a tumor called the remnants of the notochordal cells may give rise to a tumor called chordoma, which may be seen either in the cranial region or in the sacral region, but preferably commonly found in the cranial region. When present there, it may spread into nasopharynx. It is usually occurs after middle age or at middle age. When present, 30% of the times it may turn malignant. So this is all about the chordoma and overall topic, the notochord. Thank you.